Okay guys, this is a bass boat I just bought. It's the one I previously put a video on about the clear coat or gel coat was terrible. It was white when I got this boat. And I used 1500 grit sandpaper and wet sanded it, and 2000 grit sanded it, and then a good rubbing compound. I mean, you can see the color now. It's a Ranger Sport R72 Gold console. Nice boat. Just I gotta put carpet. That's the next step. But it has really come back nice. Okay, I'll update you as the next step. Thanks for watching.